Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on INFINIX Zero X Pro. So the first step, simple but effective. Sometimes the temporary bugs or stuck audio processes often just resolve after a fresh restart of the phone. So how you do that, basically hold the power button. Now hold the restart, the green icon, and now wait for your phone to turn back on. Sometimes it just fixes everything, so let's give it a shot. I'll see you guys when the phone has restarted. So the phone has restarted. Now what we have to do is check the volume levels. So basically try and change the volume levels here for media, calls, alarm, everything. Just try and enable all of them. As you guys can see, now it works. So yeah, but if it's still not working for you, then check if the do not disturb is disabled, because sometimes it just messes up everything. So make sure that it's disabled for the time of testing. And the next one, basically disconnect the headphones or Bluetooth devices. Sometimes the phone will just send the audio to any connected Bluetooth device or a wired headset, which is connected from here from the 3.5mm jack. Now also you can check if the phone is stuck in the headphone mode. Basically what a headphone mode is even if you disconnected all of your devices, then the phone will still think that it's connected and will still try and play audio there. So make sure that it's not stuck in the headphone mode. So try and disable Bluetooth once again, and yeah. Now if it still didn't work, then maybe try and clean the speaker grills. Anything like dust, debris or pocket link can muffle or block the sound completely. So try and use a soft toothbrush, dry brush or compressed air to blow it out, or simply gently clean the bottom speaker and earpiece speaker at the top. But remember, don't use anything wet, as it may only get worse. Now the next one, basically check for software updates. So go over the settings. Sometimes outdated firmware can just affect sound, so install any available updates on your phone. Simply go to System Update. Now select Online Update or Local Update depending on what you want. And yeah, if it's up to date, then you have nothing to worry about. It's not your fault. But if your system isn't updated to the latest version, then I recommend you update it. Now the last option, which is the last resort, is a factory reset. Because if none of that helped, then all you can try is factory reset your phone. But first, back up your data. Remember about it. Here you have the backup, reset and restore. So make sure that you back up to Google Drive, backup and restore. You have both of those options here. Then simply click on reset phone and erase all data. Here click erase all data, and then your phone will start factory resetting. So yeah, if none of that helped, then I recommend you visit the INFINIX center and get a professional diagnose about your speaker. And yeah, that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.